tubebuddy is a video marketing application and browser extension for YouTube creators and brands. It automates the most common video channel management and related marketing tasks. This video is about my favorite tubebuddy features. Buy and install on your desktop computer or laptop, and discover more of its features that will help grow your YouTube channel or market your company's products. We begin with templates. It features time-saving templates like cards, end screens, and comments reply that will speed up your video publish time. You can use it to promote your videos across the internet, and also use your existing videos to drive traffic to your new uploads. It can help you test your thumbnails to choose the right one for your video. My last favorite tubebuddy feature is its Keyword Explorer. If you type in a keyword you want to rank for, or use in your title, description and tags, it will show you how popular and competitive that keyword is. This will help you choose low competition keywords for your video. You can also use it to know the ranking of your videos. If you want to buy tubebuddy, save time by going to www.tubebuddy.com/techting1, or use the link in the description box below. See you in the next video. Bye. Subscribe this channel, it's free, so you get a notice to watch any new technology video from Techting. Hit the like button for this video and share it on social media.